Hey, it's Eric with PDRC, and I've had a number of folks ask if I was going to do an unboxing video of the new Arma Infraction Mega, and the answer is not today. Problem is that I ordered 4 for the shop, and I didn't order 1 for myself, because I am so stupid. So, although I have 2 of each color sitting here in front of me, these weren't allocated for me, they're allocated for the shop, and owning a shop doesn't give me the right to take away a car that could potentially belong to a customer. So I'm going to have to do just like everybody else and wait and wait and wait, and as soon as mine comes in I'll be able to open it up and check it out and get to play with it. But unfortunately I'm a dum-dum. But mine's on the way. I think I ordered the greenish teal looking color one, but yeah, it should be here sometime next week, and then once mine comes in I can either do an unboxing video or just dive in and share what I think of it. But unfortunately for right now, the only thing I can do is stare at the boxes and watch the customers who actually get to take it home, and maybe one will open up one in the shop in front of me and I'll get to check it out. But yeah, unfortunately it's just the way that it goes. So hopefully my next Infraction video will be showing what it looks like, or maybe unboxing it, I have no idea. But I will tell you this, on the Vendetta, I plan on getting that on time. You know, gonna have to learn that lesson but once. Anyway, I do apologize for those who were looking forward to that video. I'll try to do a better job next time. In the meantime, if you get your Infraction Mega first, shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think of it, or stop by the shop and let me know. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.